Hello everyone, this is Kristen. So in today's video, I am going to be unboxing my Allure box for the month of April. Why have I not canceled this yet? Anyways, like a good YouTuber, I changed my shirt for this video. Yay! Anyways, I like to do unboxings on this channel. I like to do makeup on this channel because I am learning how to do my own makeup. So let's get into this box. I had brought it with me on my last work trip, which was of course like over a week ago now, because I thought maybe I would like unbox this in my hotel room, and it never happened. So let's unbox this. Maybe I'll finally remember to cancel this because I don't want it anymore. But so we have some information. We have the little pamphlet that they give, and I don't even really care about that anymore. I'm just like, whatever, I'm over it. So this will probably be a quick video since I'm not trying anything on either. So there's the pamphlet, and then this other card says, there's a lot to unpack. Tips from our editors to help you get the most out of the products in your beauty box. Okay, so this is 7 steps to brighter eyes, and just gives some information such as how to reduce puffiness, add protection, use SPF, how to smooth fine lines, so we don't need that. Well, I mean, I do, but you know, I'm not going to speak about it here. And my dog is boofing. Stop boofing. So these look like they are all sample sizes. The first thing I'm grabbing, I'm going to probably give this to my husband. This is Mighty Patch Duo. Visibly shows it's working, protects for faster healing, drug-free and non-drying. So this looks like it is for pimples or blemishes of some sort. You get, looks like 12 total. 6 original for night, 6 invisible for day. Excuse me, Johnny, Mr. Mo, come here. Okay, the next thing I am grabbing out of here, face moisturizer, and it's literally what it says, day and night. Cute little packaging here. Let's see what it smells like. Let's see if it's open. It is open on the inside, so there's no... Oh wait, is there? Hold on, let me take the top off. Oh, okay, it's sealed, so I'm just going to leave it sealed because I have tons of moisturizers already open. Next thing we're grabbing here is another tube, and this is Avita. This is Botanical Repair Intensive Strengthening Mask in light. Why would it need to say light? Okay, let's see if this has protection on. Nope, it does not. Let's see what it smells like. No, thank you. I'll throw that in the giveaway pile along with the moisturizer. Okay, this is Acar Skin Restore Eye Serum. Tibetan-inspired skincare. Okay. Okay, let's see what this looks like. But this is the packaging. Oh, okay. I like that. It doesn't have the rubber. It has a little clicker there. I'm just going to see what it smells like. I have tons of these. Oh, that doesn't really have a smell, so that's nice. And it does look like it's clear, and it's just the bottle is frosted. But yeah, you can click it. Anyways, okay, cool. I'll probably just throw this into the, like, that pile anyways. Okay, and the last thing that we're grabbing, this is eyeshadow palette, Vitality. Oh, okay, so that's kind of nice. It shows you the colors that are inside. Let's open this up and see what it actually looks like. I will probably add this to the giveaway pile as well. So it does come packaged in bubble wrap. There we go. It's a cute little quad. Oh, look at you. There we go, Cella. Hello, beautiful. Yeah, the only thing I would probably use would be like this color here, but I'm not going to keep it for that. So that will also go into the giveaway pile. Yeah, everything except the patches. I'm just going to, yeah, throw this into freaking giveaway. Wait, there was one other, oh yeah, there was one other thing. Here we go. So we have a Cargo Swimmables Cosmetics Dorado Beach eye pencil. If it's black, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh, it's not black. That is gold. Ooh. Okay, I'm not gonna do that though because I already have gold and I don't really like gold anyways. So actually this entire palette, this entire box, even the patches, I don't know. My husband won't use them. Yeah, I don't want this entire box. So you know what? We're gonna do another secret giveaway if you get to this point. Leave me a comment down below if you'd like to be entered. Let me know specifically what color eyeshadows are your favorites. Let me know in the comment what color eyeshadow are your favorites and you'll be entered to win this entire box. And I will leave that up for maybe 3 days. Yes, I will leave this up for 3 days and then I will announce the winner of the secret giveaway. So good luck. Allure. I'm gonna get that money shot. With my bomb ass makeup, which I'm so proud of. How do people hold these? I don't even know. I feel so generic. I need suggestions on how to make YouTube thumbnails that aren't sucky. Anyways, okay, I'm sure I can use something on that. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I do upload every single day because I'm a crazy ass. And I will see you tomorrow at 10 p.m. No, 10 a.m. Yes, I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m.